Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what your organs are doing all day inside your body to keep you alive and healthy? Let's take a fun and fascinating journey to explore some amazing facts about your body's most important organs and how they work together. Fact 1. Brain. Your brain works like your body's command center, giving instructions every second of the day. It controls everything you do, like moving your hands, breathing without thinking, solving problems, and even dreaming while you sleep. Fact 2. Heart. Your heart is like a strong, steady pump that never takes a break. It beats around 100,000 times every single day, working hard to push blood through your entire body, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell, from your head to your toes. Fact 3. Lungs. Every time you breathe, your lungs pull in fresh oxygen that your body needs and push out carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas. Believe it or not, you take around 22,000 breaths every single day, working day and night to keep you alive and energized. Fact 4. Liver. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, with over 500 important jobs. It helps clean your blood, stores energy from the food you eat, and even helps you digest fats. And here's something amazing. It can actually grow back if a part of it gets removed. Fact 5. Stomach. Your stomach is like a powerful mixer that breaks down the food you eat. It uses special acids and muscles to churn and digest everything. In fact, the acid in your stomach is so strong, it could even dissolve metal. But don't worry, your stomach has a special lining to protect itself.